How does experience make a difference within a cleaning or janitorial company? It's having the know-how and ability to navigate a complex market of thousands of cleaning products. It's essential to know which product to use and when to quickly and effectively clean different types of surfaces or kill various types of contamination such as bacteria or viruses. It's knowing how to handle the task at hand with minimal to no harm to those around us and the environment. It's having the skill set to clean 3 times faster than someone who cleans once a month at home. It's having the proper training and access to the latest state-of-the-art tools and equipment to clean a home or facility the right way. It's taking care of clients, their homes and/or businesses in the highest and most professional way. Interworld Cleaning has been in the janitorial business since 2009 and uses its experience to exceed its customers' expectations continuously. Under-promise and over-deliver is what we do. Keeping our clients healthier and happier is what we love and why we come to work every day.